Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to repair Steam files. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first solution that you can do is to verify the integrity of game files. So the corrupted cache files are responsible for the Steam issue. So how to do the Steam repair? So you can verify the game files and replace the corrupted files to repair it. So here's how to do that. So first, just right click onto the Steam launcher and select Run as Administrator, and navigate to the Library tab, and then right click the game that Steam can't open and select Properties. And in the Properties window, navigate to the Local Files. So it is this part right here section, and then click on to the Verify Integrity of Game Files. And now Steam will verify the game files automatically, and you just need to wait for a few minutes to complete this process. So after this process ends, find and open the Task Manager window by pressing the Windows plus X key on your keyboard to finish all Steam related processes from the Process tab. And after that, just run your Steam client as administrator again. And then for the next solution, what you can do is to refresh the Steam files. So how to repair Steam? So you might need to refresh your Steam files, which has worked for plenty of users. So the steps are right here. So first, just open the File Explorer and then navigate to your Steam folder. And delete all files, folders, and programs in the Steam folder except the Steam exe or the executable file and the Steam apps folder. So restart your computer and then go to the Steam folder again and double click the steam.exe to restore or reinstall all the components deleted in the last step. So just keep in mind that you shouldn't open Steam from the toolbar or any shortcuts, and after doing so, you should be able to use your Steam and play games on it without a problem. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.